So you finished a job, and now it's time to complete the order. Let me show you how to do that in ServiceMonster 6. It's super simple. To complete an order, you're going to need to get to the order that needs completion. So I'm already in mine under Orders and All Orders from the Navigator, but you can access yours however you like. So before we change this over to invoice status, these are a few important items to check before we do so. Check the line items, specifically the quantity and price. Do they match? Is it accurate for the job? Double check the tax rate. Is that correct? Does the total on the order match the work that was actually done? Once that information is confirmed, you can change this over to an invoice. To do so, simply go to this drop-down, select Invoice, and save. The page should turn a light pink. At this point in the process, you can apply a new payment. Please see our Applying a Payment training video for more information. Once the order is complete, you can simply leave it be, or you can print or email the invoice. And congratulations, you've completed the order. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can re-watch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.